Hi, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to create a macro using the VBA editor that is going to delete any hidden rows from your spreadsheet. Let's get started. Okay, we'll go to Developer and Visual Basic, as always, and insert a module. Okay, let's call this Delete Hidden Rows. We'll start off the string, sub delete hidden rows, open and close brackets. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is to basically start off by defining the dimensions. Now, what we're going to do, so that you don't have to select anything, so that it will scan all the rows in the spreadsheet, is dimension and lastRow. Okay, so in this case, let's make the lastRow 100. Okay, so for the one we're interested in, so that's basically saying it's looking through the rows for the full range of negative and positive integers. By the way, the iCntr is like the row index, so it's basically telling it to scan the index of rows. So it's looking at the rows and saying, okay, this one is hidden. Is it hidden? Yes, that's true. So then, if it's true, then those hidden rows are deleted. Then we put next to send it along to the next row and do the same thing. So that's the logic behind it. Now let's hide a few of these rows and see if this comes together for us. So delete, hide these two. Hide this one. And let's also hide these ones. And we'll run the macro. Okay, yep, it deleted those hidden rows because I had formulas in there. It stuffed up the formulas, but this is just an example, and you probably wouldn't be deleting profits for given financial years, but there's a number of reasons that you may wish to delete hidden rows. It may be information relating to any number of things that just isn't relevant anymore, that's obsolete, or that's been moved to another sheet. So now you know how to do it. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find the code in the video description.